Personally, there were so many activities that reminded me that I should be doing this more often because as a trainer myself, we sometimes learn so much, but at the end of the day, we don't actually do it do it religiously. So with this training, it's more of me. Because of this training, I was reminded of the things that I should be doing as a leader. So yeah, so this is my journey right now with ISB, and I'm having fun. For everyone who's watching right now, my suggestion is really attend as much training as you can, and of course attend the ISB training. So I hope to see you on batch 5, 6, 7 and more batches to come.
Davao City.
From Medellin, Cebu.
Cabanatuan City, Nueva Ecija, and in Makati.
From San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
From Batangas.
From Lucena City.
Bukidnon.
Of Cebu.
From UK.
So hoping na daghang pa akong ma-learn and more success in my life soon.
For more learnings and experience on Pride.
Our first day was great, and I'm here to gain more knowledge and gain some self-confidence in sharing about the product.
Na-realize na ganito pala, ang sarap mabuhay. Ang sarap. Pag talagang totoo sa puso mo, wala kang nararamdaman to anyone. And since actually then, yung life ko po, it's never been the same again. Kasi, grabe, if you have joy in your life, everything will just really fall into place. So, yun lang po.
So ngayon, kung ganon ka ang intensity para maging successful ka dito, kailangan matibay dibdib mo. At paano mangyayari yun? Attend ng training. Online ba yan? Face to face ba yan?
Miss, no? Na after mag-present, kailangan magtanong po tayo sa atin pong prospect, sa prinisenta natin. Kasi po yung iba, after mag-present, nahihiyang mag-close, no? Nahihiyang magtanong.
For the next 3 days, 90% we want to be inspired. Because once you are inspired for the next 3 days, na bombarded ka ng inspiration, guess what happens? The 3 days will become the key to ultimately change the direction of your life. Yes, it is. It's my
And then, I found out my dad na stroke patient and with emphysema, with lifetime medication, merong magandang nangyari. So, maybe this past few weeks, months that I'm praying, I wanted to do something. Ito yung sagot.
Take a step back to yesterday. When life would move slower, we would never grow up. All we knew that love was for when we're older. And if it could happen, secretly imagine they could never tear us apart. Too young to fall. This is
improve our not only learning the products but how to succeed in this venture. So we thank Prive International for making this seminar available to the leaders of or the members of this Prive International. Be focused, according to our speaker, Mr. Nathan Dimisilio, should be not only focused but laser focused.
I learn a lot because we are trained here to be more patient, more unique, and more courageous to face all the challenges in our life.
It's very inspiring and daghan kay mig na sabtan, daghan kaayo mi og nakuha, and we are very excited nga pag uli namo sa amuan ni siyang gamiton. The tools that we learned here, among gamiton para mo excel yun.
By joining this event, expect more. I will learn more about the company, about the product, the Complan and everything. So kaya nandito ako ngayon from UK to Samal Island. Okay? Thank you. Nag-register ako sa ISB dahil gusto ko na mas ma-improve pa yung aking kaalaman regarding sa system ng Prive International kasi napakaganda ng kanyang program. And my goal is become a supplier director, kaya dito sa ISB alam ko mahihit ko yung programa ngayon. Thank you very much.
So, I invite everyone. It's a very good thing to join in Prive Philippines because it's very amazing. I'm here unexpectedly in this business. I enjoy it a lot. So, mag-join po kayo.
We know that we can still learn from ISB, and at the same time we know that there is still room for growth and for learning. That's why we are here. We came all the way because we know that we can learn so much from this gathering.
Makita ng lahat kung ano ang ganda ng Prive. Kasi hindi lang po health ang pinag-uusapan dito, pati na rin po ang ating financial freedom.
So far, I learned in the ISB program is about, I discover that there are things in my life that I can improve more and develop.
And I feel alive for the first time in my life, oh baby.
You will never regret because it has changed me as a person, and I would like to share that experience with everyone. Thank you very much and hope to see you in the next group that's coming over for the next ISB group. Thank you so much and God bless.
I invite everybody, I invite you all to join. You members of Prive, please join the ISB because this is one event that you're going to miss your life if you didn't take it. So don't miss the chance. join us.
My life, oh baby, I feel alive tonight. You lift me up before I fall too far. You lift me up. You help me see the stars. You pick me up.
I am the light of the world. I am Douglas. I'm a leader. Let's go. I'm courageous. I'm compassionate.
That blessings, again, the energy of money is joy. So when you clap, pag mo palakpak ka, try daw natin. You are emitting a positive energy that will go back to you 100 folds.
No turning back now. We're so alive tonight, tonight, tonight.
We love Pride. Go change the life. We love Pride. Go change the life. We love Pride. Go change the life.
You lift me up.
Join ISB. I'm so excited to see you. And for those of you who have joined, congratulations for being committed to transformation. This is ISB. We are for your transformation because we believe transformation equals success. God bless you.